Everyone. Today I want to take a few minutes of you all to discuss about this important thing which I've realized in the past few months. It's about privilege. So, what is privilege? Privilege is basically if we have an advantage over, if we have an advantage which is very specific to us, to a specific person or a group of people, then that's privilege. Like a certain group of people have a job, but others don't. So that's a privilege which they have. A certain group of people have a house and a place to stay, but others don't. So that's a privilege they have. And likewise, there can be many use cases of what privilege means. Uh, like you have food, you have the freedom to stay how you want, where you want, or you, so that's what privilege is. But if you look at it, one of the biggest privileges that we have right now in these times of lockdown and staying at home is that we have the privilege to ignore whatever is happening outside, be it some tensions on the political end or be it some issues which people are facing on the ground. And we have the privilege to just live our own lives in our own short world. And I think that's something which is not something which a lot of people have. So, okay, but why am I telling you this? What's the point of this? The point is that so when I started thinking about what privilege is and how, let's say in any case I have a privilege which many others don't have, it really makes me introspect and think about all the changes that are needed to the world. And I'm not here to tell you guys ki these are the problems in the world and you are still better off, so there's something that's wrong with you, or you should feel guilty about it. Not at all. Matlab, a lot of us actually feel guilty that why is it that we are so much better than others, but that's not the point at all. The point is ki uh, okay, we have this privilege, but can we be acknowledging, can we appreciate that we have that privilege? So, and that is what I wanted to make this video and point out कि हमारे पास जितने भी privileges है, can we be grateful for it and can we be appreciating to the nature, to the world that exists कि these are the benefits that we have. Okay, I have a family around me, so that's something which I want to appreciate and I want to be thankful about. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video for two things. One is that to remind you all that each of you has a lot of privilege. For example, if you want, you can sit and experiment with new food dishes at home, while a lot of people actually don't even have food right now. And there is contrast, but that doesn't mean that you feel very guilty about it. It's just that you should be aware about it. And so that's one thing. And the second thing is that from time to time, I think you should switch on your system and get aware about what's happening around you as well, and absorb it. And don't necessarily have to take it as a guilt, but you have to just absorb it and be aware of what's happening. So that will help you build empathy, and at least that's helped me build empathy for others and be able to see the place in different light. And yeah, so the purpose of this video is to remind you all ki you have some privileges, which if you just try to stop your thinking, like stop whatever you're doing for a minute and just look around you, you will notice that you have at least a few privileges which others don't have. Especially if you're watching this video, you're already at a level where you have a smartphone, you're using the internet, and so again, like I said, that's also a privilege. So what can you do about it is, I think what is really going to change things is if you can take one thing every day, help one person, or do one thing every day, or even once a week, where you don't necessarily have to get something out of it, but you are helping somebody in kind because of a certain privilege that you have, and that could really come back to you as a blessing one day. Yeah. Thanks.